I'm Angelo Niforatos. My company is Niffy Drone Solutions. I'm the CEO and founder. One of the biggest inspirations I have is my grandfather. My grandfather came over here from Greece with a 6th grade education, and he became a successful entrepreneur. In addition, I absolutely love drones. Back in 2016, right when they were becoming a little more popular in the consumer and hobbyist industry, I picked it up immediately. I started my company in February of 2024, pretty recent. I started it actually because of the Panache business competition. So the Panache business competition really challenged me to look at the business side of not just my hobby, but turning that hobby into something that is profitable. Well, I started up my company myself. I filed my articles of organization online, and in doing that, there's a couple of smaller things that I missed, a couple of nuances, and I ended up paying for that later on. So one of the lessons I learned because of that is hire a lawyer. They'll help you identify some of those nuances. The biggest impact I am trying to make for my company right now and the product and service that I'm trying to sell is I want to revolutionize how you control a drone and also how you interpret data from the drone. Whether you're a soldier, first responder, a police officer, or even an environmentalist. Winning this competition, one of the biggest things that'll help my company grow is the $25,000 cash prize. With that, I can look to productize my prototypes that I've been in development with. Also, any direct labor costs associated with not just the hardware, but the development that goes along with that. And secondly is the exposure on social media, getting the interest from potential investors or other companies that might be interested in a partnership with me.